Hey y'all, I'm back. Y'all, it's literally been less than a week and this silk press is already looking toe up and busted, which I knew it wasn't gonna last, but like to see it in real life in real time is so disappointing. But anyways, today I'm gonna be trimming my ends and then styling this silk press later on in this video. My trims needed my ends need a trim like so bad. I can't even lie. It just looks so dead, y'all. So my plan is to basically go in and straighten my hair all over again, and I'm keeping the heat below 400 degrees, literally right below 400 degrees, because I don't want to just like overdo it with the heat. You know, we starting the year off right, which is why I'm doing this trim. So I'm gonna straighten my hair all over again, and then I'm just gonna do each section that I straighten and trim it. Now, don't do too much on my scissors, like I know they old. I recommend that you use some really good quality, like sharp shears. Y'all, mine, I done had them for years. They rusted and stuff, but I just wanted to get the job done, y'all. I really just wanted to get the job done. Yeah, I'm just going in and trimming each section. I don't really have any like shape that I'm going for or anything. I just need these ends gone. And I'm not getting all the ends either. I'm just getting what I can. And then later on, you know, I'll just work my way up to slowly trimming off more dead ends and more split ends. I feel like this can kind of look like the result of me neglecting my hair, but honestly, y'all, it's just the result of me trying something new and it didn't work out. I had put some mini twists in and I had them in for like a month, and I have been hearing so many good things about mini twists, like all the pros. They're low manipulative, low maintenance, they're gonna help you retain length, it'll be easy to moisturize your hair and things like that. But what I did not hear a lot of, and what I'm suffering from, what my hair is suffering from, y'all, is fairy knots, single strand knots, split ends from the friction of my hair. Like, my ends were just too exposed, and it wasn't easy for me to keep the mini twist stretched. So this is the result of that. Like, these ends look crazy. So I'm just doing what I can right now to try to salvage as much and save and retain as much length as I possibly can. Now, I'm not saying all of this to bash mini twists. It's just mini twists are not for me, at least not right now. So I'm thinking about trying mini braids next, you know, so stay tuned for that. I just feel like they'll help me keep my hair stretched, which I feel is going to be the main thing that I need in order to really see the length that I'm retaining. You know what I'm saying? So this is the end result. I feel like I did a pretty good job. There were some areas that I could not reach. Like when you look at the back of my head, you can see like the crown is a lot shorter. I have a lot of breakage up there. So you can see the split ends kind of down the shaft of my hair as it lays on top of the rest of my hair. But I just did the best that I could, or what I felt like was the best that I could. And then, like I said, later on, I'll do more and put more effort into trimming off as much as I can as I go. Because I just want healthy hair, y'all. I mean, I want long hair. You know, long hair don't kill. But I really want health over length. Like, yeah. Now I'm going in with my John Frieda Frizz Ease serum. I love this serum. I feel like it does a great job at minimizing frizz and just like making my hair look more sleek and adding shine. I love this stuff so bad. And I'm applying that all over my hair, making sure that I, you know, work it through thoroughly. And then I'm going to go in with my fine tooth comb. I'm going to comb it through to make sure that I get it fully coated and fully saturated. I'm keeping my flat iron at 395 because, like I said, I want to not do too much with the heat. And I'm just going in and curling my hair upwards, and then I'm only turning it like once or maybe like halfway, because my goal is to have like tight curls that can fall a little bit later on. Y'all, I'm not too good at curling. If I'm being honest, you'll see later on that one side came out better than the other one, which I heard happens a lot. I don't want it to keep happening to me. Okay. One side, like, look at this other side is limp. Like, it just, oh my God. The other side just came out so horrible, and I tried my best to work with it. But basically, I'm just going in and I'm curling my hair upwards, and then I'm just sliding the flat iron down as I continue through the section. And then I'm just wrapping it around my fingers and pinning it to my head with bobby pins. And I feel like I was relying too much. This is where I went wrong. I feel like this is where I went wrong. I feel like I was relying too much on pinning the curls and thinking that that would overdo my technique with the curling process. You know what I'm saying? Like, really, I should have been focusing on making sure I'm being consistent with the flip that I do, or how far I turn the iron, or how fast or slow I move the flat iron down my section or whatever. And I feel like I messed up when I did that on the other side, which is why the other side came out so limp, y'all, and so ugly. Now we've made it to the front of my head, and I'm just doing the same exact thing, repeating the same steps. The only thing I'm doing differently is just making my part. I just want to be particular about that and make sure it's in the right spot. I'm going through, flipping my flat iron upwards so that my hair can come out and pop that curl out. And then I'm just wrapping it around my fingers, pinning it to my head so it can cool just like the rest of my hair. Now that all the curls have cooled and set into place pretty much, I'm just gonna take my time and take all the bobby pins down and kind of let the curls slowly fall into place. I'm gonna go through with my fingers and kind of comb them out a little bit and just take my time with that because I don't want to cause too much frizz. I just kind of want to let them fall into place, and then I'm gonna go in and kind of place them how I want them with my fine tooth comb. Side note, I did not use any hairspray. I really didn't want to use any Got2b because I don't like how it makes my hair all hard and crunchy. So, and it kind of doesn't get all the spots that I wanted to get. It's not like a misty type of product. So be sure to leave some suggestions down below in the comment section of some good holding sprays, preferably on the softer side, you know. And yeah, you guys can kind of watch me play with my hair. I did go in and kind of redo my bang a little bit because I didn't like the way it was looking. And yeah, I just want to thank you guys for watching this video. Thank y'all for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you can see more of me. Let me know how you feel about this look. Leave your comments down below and I will respond. And yeah, thanks. Bye.